Hello everyone, this is Joseph. I am studying UKG in our Shantiniketan English Medium School, Gorenta. I will explain about what's our plan. Let's discuss about sleep. This one they got 4 times a week water if we take food. This is a brain. This is a brain. This is a sperm. Roots supply water and air to the plant. From flower we get fruit. Finally we get fruit from the plant. Are you ready, friends? And like, share, subscribe to my channel.